So let's see examples of how we use the in sentences. So examples in sentences. So example in sentences can have the book is lost. The book is lost. You are introducing something that has already been spoken, been discussed earlier. Can have another sentence. The children are playing outside. So the children are playing outside. Remember that we use they either in singular form or in plural form. It is okay when you use it both in singular or plural. Now the first example, the book is lost. You can see the sentence, the book is lost is in singular form. And the article there does not have any effect on the sentence. The second sentence is in plural form, but with the article there, it still makes sense both in plural and in singular form. I can have another sentence. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The sun is something that is one of a kind. So you use the article there when introducing things that are one of a kind. Can have a sentence like this: the cup is dirty. The cup is dirty. So this is how we can use the article there in sentences. Remember, you can still use it in singular form or plural form. It is also used when you want to introduce things that have been spoken of earlier, something that has been discussed earlier. And lastly, it is used to when you want to introduce things that are one of a kind. For example, the sun, the wind, the stars, the wind, and many others. So this is how we use article the. We use it to point out different things that have been spoken earlier. You want to introduce something of a kind, or can still use it in singular or plural form.